Project 83 is fun with the alarm IC. This circuit will allow you to literally have fun using the alarm integrated circuit as well as the music integrated circuit. I'm going to turn on the slide switch, and this might be loud, so please turn down your volume. And the music will play, and an alarm will be heard. It sounds like a machine gun right now, but there's much more to this project. When the music stops, tap the whistle chip to get it going again so you can hear the alarm as well. I'm going to cover the photoresistor, and the alarm sound changes to that of a police car siren. Now what's more interesting is that if I was to cover the phototransistor and push the press switch at the same time, it will sound like an ambulance siren. Now for the second part of this project, I'm going to attach these jumper wires. Now normally this would be the lamp, but I had to use the green LED instead. They would both come on. The motor with the fan is supposed to spin too, but probably because I'm using the green LED, which uses more power, the motor will not spin. I'll do it one more time. Might want to hear the police car siren or ambulance siren instead of the machine gun sound. Not all components may work if your batteries are weak. I probably don't have the strongest batteries, but maybe that could be why the fan isn't spinning. Project 84's motor sounds combo. I'm going to turn on the slide switch, volume warning, and you'll hear both music and an alarm sound coming from the speaker. It's a police car siren, and they both sound together, and the sound is fairly clear. But when the music stops, the alarm sound will continue. So you don't have to worry about that turning off. But then, for the second part of this project, I'm going to hold down the press switch, and the motor and fan spin. Now you can hear that the sound is distorted due to the tremendous amount of energy the motor draws. Now it's possible that when I release the press switch, the fan will lift off the motor, like it just did. So you have to be careful. Now it actually remains distorted even after I turn off the motor. Turning the slide switch off and on again resets that problem. Project 85 is motor sounds combo 2. I removed the red LED and put the R1 resistor in, and when I turn on the slide switch, the sound is much quieter because the resistor is limiting the current. However, because the LED is not included, the fan will spin faster when I hold down the press switch, and it will fly a little bit higher off the motor when I let go. I'm going to do that again. The sound is obviously much more distorted when the motor is on, but you see that the fan went a little bit higher if you've watched the previous project. Project 98 is simple water alarm. The slide switch will be turned on, and I am going to stick the exposed ends of the jumper wires into this cup of water right here. Be aware this might be loud. A siren can be heard. The water conducts electricity and completes the circuit to sound the alarm. And if you wanted to, you could use longer wires and run them along the floor of a place in your home that might be prone to flooding, like your basement, so that if there is indeed flooding, an alarm will alert you. As a variant of Project 100, you would add a 2-snap wire with a 1-snap wire between points A and B, and then put the jumper wires back in the water. Now the alarm sounds like an ambulance siren rather than a police car siren. For Project 101, you simply connect the jumper wires directly together. Now the siren is much louder because now there is direct contact between the wires. The wires are better conductors of electricity than water, so it's going to be louder. I have now demonstrated all the projects I could from Snap Circuits Junior, or you could say the first section of Snap Circuits Extreme. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay tuned for the second section of this kit.